Hey there, so Bose has introduced 3 new headphones, 2 over-ear models, and 1 set of in-ear earbuds. I just got back from the launch event and I have some early impressions. For starters, you should know that these are kind of expensive headphones. The new QuietComfort Ultra headphones cost $429. The QuietComfort Ultra earbuds are $299, and the new QuietComfort headphones are $349. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of all the new models. Just be aware that this is not a full review. I only got to listen to the QuietComfort Ultra headphones for a very short period of time, but I will have full reviews in the coming weeks. So I'm gonna start with the new flagship over-ear model, the QuietComfort Ultra headphones. It's the most different of all 3 that have been announced. It truly has a new design. It's a successor to Bose's noise-canceling headphones 700 that came out in 2019. It has the same drivers, but it has a whole new chassis. It's got some aluminum in it. It's the first set of Bose headphones that has an aluminum yoke and also arms that go into the headband that are also aluminum. So it does have a sturdier feel than past Bose headphones, but it does weigh around the same as those headphones 700, right around 350 grams. And it really was comfortable to wear, as you'd expect from a set of Bose headphones. But the feature that Bose is really highlighting with these headphones is something it calls immersive audio. It's a spatial audio mode. It's Bose's version of spatial audio. And these do have head tracking, so you can use this both in still mode with a fixed sound around you, as well as a motion mode that has the head tracking engaged. And so the sound stays fixed right in front of you, and as you move your head, the sound moves with you. I don't know if it's better than Apple Spatial Audio or Dolby Spatial Audio for that matter, but it does widen the sound stage and it does get the sound out of your head. Bose wasn't really promoting it for use with video so much, but it can be used with video. There are, Bose said, 10 microphones on these headphones, 4 external on each ear cup, as well as 1 internal microphone in each ear cup. Those are both used for voice calling and noise canceling. The voice calling is apparently on the same level as the headphone 700. I was a fan of the headphone 700. I really did like their sound. And these also feature clean, well-balanced sound with good detail, punchy bass. I do think you'll get slightly better sound from these, but it's largely due to the better digital processing. It isn't so much due to the hardware, because again, they have the same drivers as the 700s. But from what I heard from about 7 or 8 songs I listened to from an Apple playlist, they really have a nice, clean sound. At least from my early listening sessions, I do think these compare favorably to headphones in this price class. These are obviously expensive at $429. You have the AirPods Max, a little bit more, but I do think these measure up pretty well against the AirPods Max. All right, I'm gonna move on to the QuietComfort Ultra earbuds. These look almost identical to the QuietComfort Earbuds 2 that were released just last year, and it was a bit of a surprise that Bose has now released an update already. It usually takes a lot longer to release updates to its headphone line. They do have a metallic finish on their front that isn't there with the QC Earbuds 2, but basically they're the same. There's one other small difference. The stabilizer fins, the ear tips, they have a little notch in them so that they don't slide around, so the earbuds fit a little bit more securely in your ears. Really the biggest difference these QC Ultra earbuds have from the QC Earbuds 2 is that these have that immersive audio that I mentioned with the Ultra headphones. So they have that same feature, that same spatial audio feature with head tracking. The Earbuds 2 don't have that. That's really the QC Ultra earbuds in a nutshell. They cost the same $299 as the QC Earbuds 2, and they'll ship in early October. And Bose finally did release a 3rd headphone. It's just called the Bose QuietComfort headphones. There's no number. It's replacing the Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones. And there really doesn't seem to be a whole lot of difference between the two. However, the new Bose QuietComfort headphones do cost $50 more. They're $349. They do have some software upgrades, most notably You can adjust the noise canceling to whatever level you want. That was a feature on the Headphone 700. As always, let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Let me know whether you think these headphones are too pricey. Is immersive audio a feature that you're really looking for? That spatial audio with head tracking that'll make you upgrade? And what do you think of the new design of the Ultra? I'm David Carnoy for CNET. Thanks for watching.